How to connect Vision Datum analog interface infrared thermal camera. First, find line 1 or 2 for 5-volt power and line 3 or 4 for power ground. Do please connect the power supply correctly to avoid the camera damage. Likewise, connect line 11 video and line 10 or 12 video ground to the analog video adapter. Completing the connecting process, real-time images will display on the screen. Vision Datum iVaster series cameras offer a variety of interface options, including BT656, BT1120, MIPI, LVCMOS, PAL-D, USB Type-C, and more. You can also choose extend boards for free combination to match more challenging applications. Besides commercial and science research fields, Vision Datum long-wave infrared thermal imaging cameras are playing a significant role in contributing to defense, peace, and security.